everyone. Today in this video we'll see main difference between a Milan wired infrared module and a wireless blaster, which we call as universal remote control. Okay, so generally we use both of the thing in various sites, but basically we generally take it in a concept like if it is an existing place, it's better to go for a wireless one, and if it is a under construction or something where we can do a wiring, then we go for this type of products. So today we'll see that actually in which place what product fits the best. So let's start. We all know that both of these products are used for controlling infrared based products like TV, AC, projector and other things. But yes, generally if it is the main difference between these two are this product used a wired LAN connection. So for communication it uses a wired LAN connection and the other one uses Wi-Fi. So as we all know that wired connection is quite more stable than Wi-Fi in any case, everyone knows that. And another thing is that for transmitting the IR signal, infrared signal, it uses a probe something like this. Okay, so this is the probe which you use for transmitting IR signal from this infrared module. But in case of IR blaster, it blasts the particular signal from here directly. So these are the two different concepts in these two products. So after that we can see that in my opinion this particular product is little bit more stable than this one. So wherever possible we can use a wired infrared module instead of a IR blaster if possible. Okay, now we'll see the scenarios where we can use this infrared module. Generally not only in a under construction, but yes, in an existing place also we can use this thing by using certain small changes. Okay, I'm telling you, yes, we can do this, or we can install this particular products in any existing place also. So now we'll check how to do that. If take a scenario where it's an existing place, maybe a living room or a home theater where we are going to use all those gadgets like TV, AC and all those things, and we are going to control that. So basically what will happen is mainly this infrared modules or these products are used to control basically 6 devices. So 6 devices are controlled by using these products. The first device is a TV, the television. That is the one thing basically we control by using this infrared module. Second is the any amplifier, a 5.1 channel amplifier from any brand. So that is the second thing. Third is a set-top box, maybe a set-top box of any brand we are controlling. So set-top box, then a player, maybe a DVD, Blu-ray player. Nowadays it is not there, but yes, in some cases we use a player also. So this is the player, and then we use an air conditioner. A normal split type AC can be controlled by using this. So a split type air conditioner, and the last one is the projector. So these are the 6 things what we control. In a typical house, if you see, we'll keep the TV on a main wall, and below that only we keep the 3 devices, basically a set-top box, an amplifier and a player. So these set-top box, amplifier and player, these 3 devices will be just below the TV only, and from the amplifier or from the set-top box there will be a wire which goes till the television. Okay, so wherever you are keeping these 3 products and wherever is your TV is, so there will be a connection between that. So if we can keep this product near the place where the set-top box is there, so if we keep it there, so the set-top box, the DVD player or the Blu-ray player, whatever it is, and the amplifier, these 3 are just next to it. So by using small wires or small cables only we can just control those 3 products. And the TV also can be controlled because there is a wire which is going from the set-top box to the TV, because your HDMI and other things will be there, so that will go. So along with that easily we can run one more cable. So my 4 devices are controlled. One is the player, another is the amplifier, another is the set-top box and the TV. So these 4 devices, there is absolutely no problem. Now the next thing is the projector and the air conditioner. So for the projector, of course there also will be a conduit or a cable, like you will keep the amplifier somewhere in a cabinet, and from there of course there will be HDMI or some other cables which will be going through some conduit. So if we try a little bit in that conduit itself, we can run one more wire which can take the IR signal from this wired infrared module, and it can pass to the projector. So that's how we can solve the problem of projector. And then now the next thing is the air conditioner. So for air conditioner there are few options, like out of those 4 walls, in any one of the wall the air conditioner unit will be there. Okay, so if the air conditioner unit is on the front wall where there is a TV, okay, so what we can do is above the TV itself we can just keep the IR probe directing towards the air conditioner, and we can see if it can catch the particular signal or not. Okay, generally this IR probe is capable of not blasting the signal for up to 8 to 10 meters, which this product do. This product can blast a signal for up to 8 to 10 meters. Okay, so that's the one. But this product can actually blast for maybe 1 or 2 meter. For 1 or 2 meter, you can keep it at a distance of 1 or 2 meter, it can work. So if we are keeping it at a 1 or 2 meter distance, suppose the AC is on the wall and below that there is a TV, at the edge of the TV you can keep it something like this, and then it will just blast it in 2 meter range, and then it can work. Sometimes this is the way how we do in existing houses. Okay, and then next thing is that if it is on the left or right wall, we can see some way by which it can go till the ceiling. Maybe a conduit of the electrical conduit what is there, in that electrical conduit we can just pass. Actually the low voltage should not be passed with high voltage for a long run, but yes, for maybe 1 or 2 meter when there is no option, we can pass the wire from the electrical conduit till the ceiling. And in the ceiling, if it is a false ceiling, by removing the light fixtures and all, we can pass the wire till the nearest point of the AC, either on the left wall or the right wall. Okay, so when we keep it in the nearest point of the AC, suppose my AC is on the left wall and there is a light fixture just in front of that. If I can take this thing till the light fixture, I will remove the light fixture and slightly keep it, the eye will be just there below the light fixture. Okay, so if this is the case, then sometime it will catch the signal and it will work. So these are the options by which we solve this problem when the AC is on the left or right wall. Or another option is that if it is on a back wall or maybe on left or right wall also, sometime what happens, if the room is very small, the projector, from the projector, when you are running a wire till the projector, you run 2 wires actually, one for the projector, another for the AC. What we can do is the projector wire can go and stick directly there, and the AC can be from the projector, we can just direct it towards the AC receiver point. Okay, suppose if it is on the back wall and your projector is already in the back side, and then there is just a 1 meter distance. So my projector is here and my AC is on this wall. So till my projector, if I run this wire and just locate it towards the AC, something like this, a little bit something like this, so it will just catch the signal. So it's not that you have to stick it exactly on the receiver, but from 1 or 2 meter it will work. So as per that, we have to test it properly first, and if we can use it in a proper way, then we can avoid using this Wi-Fi based product, and we can use a wired infrared module in every case of an existing house. Okay, so this particular thing is also useful in such cases where there are no way, like what are the options I told you. If those things are not available, yes, there is no other go, and you have to use this type of Wi-Fi products. So these are some small ideas by which you can use a wired infrared module in an existing house. Thank you.